Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is Crypto Slim, and some of you have been asking me how am I to know if I'm making profits, and I keep telling them, um, some will come to me and be like, boss, my money is increasing, I'm making profits. Hey, my money is, So, and I kept telling them, I said, no, it is not the increment in your money. It is not the increment in your money you check. Oh. You check the increment in your BTC itself, not the increment in the value of the BTC you have. Once the value of BTC increases, your money will increase as well. So when the value of it doesn't mean you're making profit or you're making loss. You understand? So when the value of your BTC decreases, also your money will decrease. So does that mean you're making loss? So let's look at this example, LTU. Let's take LTU as an example. So you click on LTU. Can you see the total amount used in buying the signal was 0.00225036? That was the total amount you used in buying it. Then let's go over to when it got sold up. Okay, this is it when it got sold up. This is the total you got back. You used 0.00225 blah blah blah. Then this is the total you got back. You got 0.00233640 BTC. You understand? That is the total you got back. So the difference in the total of the two is actually your profit. You understand? And the reason I kept saying do not look at the amount in naira, or do not look at the amount in dollar, or in whatever thing you used. You understand? So let's go back and let's do one simple mathematics. So now we're going to, okay, let's go back to this is when it sold up. You understand? This is sell. Can you see? So we're going to type this now, 0.002364. Let's type it in our calculator for everyone to work with. Let's see, 0.002364 minus, then you come back here, minus, close it, click on LTU. When you bought it, you used 0.00225 0.00225 what 036 equals to, can you see, this is your profit. 0.0001136 is your profit. So the reason I kept telling everyone not to use what's it called, not to think, okay, when you see that your money has increased, the value your money has increased, it means you're making profit. No, it is the increment in your BTC itself. So can you see, this is the difference and this is your profit. You understand? This is the profit. Then come over here. So if you now want to see, okay, let me see the amount it will result to, although the amount it will result to depends on the value of BTC as at that time. You understand? So come over here, come over to your Lunar app, you click on sell. When you click on sell, click on sell, you put the amount. Can you see the amount? I've copied the difference from my calculator. Then you copy the difference, you paste it here. Can you see? When you pasted it here, can you see, this is the profit I said it made, 0.0001136 you understand? And this is the amount it's resulted to in naira, 464 naira. Can you see? Although, like I said, it depends on the value of BTC as at that time. Understand? It depends on the value of BTC as at that time. But then it resulted to 464 naira. So like I said, that is how you just keep, do not mind the value of do not mind what's it called, the amount it was increasing or decreasing to, you understand? Just focus on the increment of your BTC itself. So that is how you just keep adding to your Bitcoin. You keep adding to your Bitcoin, you understand? Gradually, you keep adding to your Bitcoin gradually, you understand? Till it will sum up to a huge, what's it called, a huge money. Then together with the increment of the value of BTC, you understand, then you're making your money quietly without anybody knowing. So the only thing there is now is that, okay, we can't say when it will sell, but it's definitely a sell price, which obviously some of you has been seeing that. And those that can wait for it to sell price will actually wait. Like I said, you can't lose your money on Binance as much as you're willing to wait. So that is it. I think with this should help everyone